morning, guys. It's 8:20. We slept for a good 3 hours.
And I can't go back to sleep because somebody was snoring.
And then
I wish.
Daddy's home. We're here at Walmart. Yeah. But the best part is today we're waking up to palm trees. Check that out. This is how you vacation for cheap, people. We just all have a nice time. We're sleepy, but we slept in the car. And now we're ready for a beautiful day at the beach. I think we should order some room service to this 6-star hotel room. Let's eat. Don't worry, guys, we're still in the comfort of our hotel room and we're here to get some room service. And this is another place you can eat really cheap. I feel like this guy is coming
What is he doing?
out the wrong way.
I can't even see. What are you doing?
You're good. People are not friendly in this buffet line at the hotel.
Dang, no.
$1 sandwich, guys.
How do you think my neck?
$1, all drink sizes. McDonald's is here for you if you want cheap vacation. Changing in a McDonald's bathroom. Doesn't get any better than this. All changed and ready to go. Let's hit up the beach. So we're here in Destin, Florida, and we are going to Target because Miguel here, our lovely friend, he decided that we were gonna go to the beach and he's gonna forget his swimming trunks.
No, I didn't decide. It just happened. You can go.
Be honest, you wanted a new pair of swimming trunks. That's why.
I did.
So what kind of sunscreen did we end up getting, Dalton?
I believe he's getting 100 sunscreen because he's 100% white.
Dude, you are pasty, bro. This will save your life. Hey guys, how's it going? Now we're heading to the beach finally. Well guys, well guys, welcome to the beach. We're here at Destin, Florida at, what is this called? Thank you, cars.
Public.
Sarah Street Public Beach Access. I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro because I don't want to get this all sandy and wet, and I bet that's understandable. So let's go enjoy a fabulous day at the beach. Alright guys, so here we are on the beach in Destin, Florida. We didn't tell my parents that we are taking the trip down here, and they're over in Nicaragua. And so we're gonna surprise them and give them a call right here on the beach and see what happens. Call them.
Hopefully they answer my phone call.
Give them a ring. Yeah, there's mom and dad.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy, I can't lie, mesmerized by you eyes. I'm so happy, I can't lie, mesmerized by you eyes. I'm so happy, I can't lie, mesmerized by you eyes. I'm so happy, mesmerized.
Been a million places, and never see a million faces, but I feel supernatural. 'Cause the spark is electric. For every part of me, I feel it. I know it all comes back to you. I can't walk away, but I can't explain forces in my veins. You're cosmic. Oh, oh, you're cosmic. You control the dark, the atmosphere. You hold my heart, you break these fears. 'Cause you align with all the rhythms inside me. You can unwind me. I got a heart shaped holding me. You're the center of my galaxy.
I hope you guys enjoyed that awesome perspective of Destin Beach. That was so beautiful. I loved flying the drone there. How did you guys enjoy the water?
It was awesome.
So for the first time at Destin, how'd you like it?
I liked it a lot. Beautiful beach.
Definitely, definitely. So yeah, guys, it is 12:51. We just left the beach for now, and we are driving around. We are going back to Walmart, back home. Guys, we're home at Mar. We're back at Walmart, and we are gonna go change in the restrooms. So that's about to happen. This is such a weird trip. Not even staying in a hotel. This car is my hotel, and it's been so much fun. Hope you guys enjoyed that drone footage. It was so beautiful seeing Destin from the sky. Did swimming, the beautiful water. Now we're gonna go and enjoy on land the beach and things like that, and walk around.
People can stand there.
Yeah, they are. Yo!
It's actually very neat.
If I had a boat, I'd be going there. Look,
That is very
I like that obstacle course and a floating bar. Like, what the heck?
Yeah, they're smart.
That's awesome. Hi guys, how's it going? We just. What's so
Dalton.
funny?
Dalton. Oh, you're recording. Oh.
Favorito, baby. And so we're over here in Fort Walton Beach. We just crossed the bay.
Welcome back to the show. We're right now gonna go get something to eat. Colton is getting hungry. Miguel is being hungry, and Dalton just wants some flat salad and some pizza.
Daddy's home. Welcome to Cece's Pizza Buffet. We are gonna go over some of our personal experiences with how it has been living in a car for the last 2 days. We don't mean to sound spoiled or selfish, because we know some people actually do live in their car, and so we are very blessed to have our homes. And that being said, as far as vacationing, how would you recommend it? Pros and cons.
It's a good idea, but I will still say work and save money just for a hotel.
Yeah, it's worth it.
It is worth
It's
it.
worth it.
It's nice to not have that responsibility, technically, or but you just get so tired and it hurts sleeping in the car.
And you don't have a nice place to shower and stuff. Like, I use the
You
beach
don't have
showers and
yeah.
stuff, you know.
We have to go to Walmart to get change.
Yeah.
You know?
And use the bathroom.
Use the bathroom.
We're brushing our teeth in McDonald's and stuff. Like,
Oh my gosh.
it's definitely a fun and an awesome adventure, especially for the low budget traveler. We wanted to do this, one, for ourselves, just because we wanted to do something adventurous. Two, for you guys, to show you guys that, see, you can take a nice vacation with money and things and spend a bunch of money, and that's cool and that's wonderful with your family. But it's also such an amazing experience when you don't have to spend over $50 per person and take an awesome vacation to a beautiful beach where people are spending thousands of dollars to come with their families and enjoy, and you're doing it for under $50 living in a car. There are amenities you pay for, and we don't get to experience those luxuries, but we get the beach and the scenic views and stuff, and it's such a cheap and awesome and affordable way to travel, so I would definitely recommend it. But there will be things you miss, but you know, that's with everything. You make the most of it and you just have a fun time. It's kind of like, I was telling them, it's kind of like a camping experience. I would do it. If you don't have a lot of money, you want to take a vacation, you want to travel, this is the way to go. That's how I'll leave it. If you have the money, it's worth it to enjoy the amenities of a hotel and things. It's a really relaxing experience. This is a very relaxing and fun experience. It's just hard to get a lot of rest and things when you're in a car and kind of worried about different things, and you know, you have to go places to change, you go places to brush your teeth and do hygiene things, and so, you know, but we get to see this amazing place and be in this beautiful Destin, Florida, and we're about to go do a little photo shoot with you guys. It is 5 o'clock here, and we're getting ready to do a bunch of fun stuff for the evening, so come along.